welcome to the Tour de Filipinas 6th edition.
Noong araw po, palagi namin pagkasa kami nag-aaral, ang sabi, Bataan has fallen. But as I came last night, I told myself, and with deep pride, Bataan is fully rising. Na ikakampanya po namin sa buong Pilipinas. Pumunta po kayo sa Bataan at makikita po nyo. Napalakpakan po natin ang lalawigan ng Bataan at ang syudad ng Balanga.
3, 2, 1! Good luck, everyone!
Sana po yung the rest of your competition and race will be successful as well. And we look forward to seeing you back in the coming days. Maraming salamat po at muli po, magandang umaga sa atin.
3, 2, 1, go!
Nagpapasalamat sa mga organizers kasi sa lahat ng mga probinsya ito yung napili na dadaanan. Kaya maraming salamat.
From behind.
3, 2, 1! Enjoy the ride and see you in Pangasinan! Good luck!
And just like our mission, let us together in always be the number one. On behalf of Brother Constantino Jr., good luck and congratulations at maraming salamat sa inyo.